Greetings. There are some situations where you are pregnant and you are not pregnant. What do I mean? Have you ever heard of blighted ovum before? And what does it mean? In blighted ovum, when you have blighted ovum, yes, you are pregnant, but the embryo is not there. That is, the baby is not, the embryo was not formed. In this situation, you know, for pregnancy to occur, the ovum and which is from the female, and the spermatozoa, which is from the male, have to meet. And when they meet, they form what is called a zygote, right? Now, in that zygote, the zygote will now be attached, or the one they call implantation, to the wall of the womb. And division will now start happening. The embryo will start developing, right? Placenta will be formed, right? That is how a baby is formed. Now, in blighted ovum, yes, the sperm and the ovum will meet. A zygote will be formed. The zygote will be attached to the wall of the womb. Implantation will happen. But now, this is it. The embryo will not be formed, but there will be placenta. The embryo will not be formed. If you go and you will do a pregnancy test, PT test, blood or urine, you'll be positive, right? Your pregnancy test will be positive. You will go and do a scan. The scan will only show a gestational sac, but there will be no embryo. The gestational sac will be empty, like the picture up there. You can see that hole in the middle of that of the scan. That's where the embryo is supposed to be. That is the baby, but it was not formed in this picture I'm showing you up there. So that is what blighted ovum means. And what causes it? I found research have shown that blighted ovum is common with older men and older women. Older men will release weak sperm. Older women will release weak ovum. It's common. If you check for women with blighted ovum, yes, women with blighted ovum, they are a little advanced in age. They are over 35 or 30. Same with men. Their age over 40 or so. So it's very rare to see blighted ovum in younger women. I'm not discriminating. I hope you understand. So that's what blighted ovum means. And the baby, see, you will do a scan, they will see only the sac. The sac. There will be no embryo. They will tell you, okay, come in so week, in 4 weeks time, in a month time to repeat the scan. You will repeat the scan, it's going to be the same thing. That's what blighted ovum means. So when if you hear the word blighted ovum, yes, the woman is pregnant, there is placenta, but there is no embryo. There's no embryo, so the baby is not formed. So when you check, you will notice that there is no cardiac activity. I mean, there will be no heartbeats. I try to say this thing so that you understand, because I know I'm not talking to a doctor. You understand? I know I'm not talking. You know I'm not talking to a doctor, so I need to say this thing in a way that you will understand. That's how it is. So that's what blighted ovum mean. Another reason a blighted ovum can be formed is when the baby is deformed. Sometimes nature just take care of things like that. When the baby is formed, when the zygote is formed and there's a problem with the formation of the zygote, nature already assumes that this baby, when it's formed, it will have birth defect. It gets rid of it. So the baby is not formed. With time, that pregnancy will not progress. Blighted ovum pregnancy will not progress. With time, the body will wash it out. Sometimes your doctor will tell you they need to do evacuation for you. So that's what blighted ovum mean. Zygote is formed. Sperm and egg means zygote is formed. The zygote implant, placenta is formed, but baby is not formed. You will do pregnancy test, it's positive. But when you do a scan, it will show an empty sac. There will be nothing. So that is what blighted ovum means. Look at the picture up there. You'll understand better. Please, my YouTube page, don't forget to follow it. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Also look at my pinned tweet. My pinned post. You will notice I got 1 million. I got 1 million views. I want to thank you all. You have been very supportive. You have been very supportive in this my TikTok handle. Extend that your love to my YouTube page. I'm begging you. Thank you.